Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert the SD card into GoPro Hero 13. So in order to do that, we need to find the side door, which is located over here on the opposite side of the power button or mode button. And we need to pull down this plastic element. We can use our fingers from here in order to pull it down like so, and then once it is pulled out, we can just open the side door. Of course, over here we will find our battery as well, and here we have the memory card slot. This is how we insert the memory card. If it's difficult for you to insert the SD card, then you can take out the battery first, as it is a little bit easier to do so without the battery. In my case, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna insert the memory card and then push it with your fingernail until it is actually hidden or on the same level as the battery. It should not stand out or anything like that. It should be fully in. If it's difficult, if it doesn't want to go in, then probably you are inserting it the wrong way. But other than that, it should be pretty easy. You might need to use your fingernail in order to fully push it in. And that's all. Now we can close the side door. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!